In this video, we're going to share with you the 6 best healthy dinner recipes for weight loss in 2025. These recipes are not only delicious and easy to make, but also packed with nutrients that will help you feel full and satisfied while shedding those extra pounds. So let's dive in and get started on your weight loss journey. But before we continue, if you appreciate all the information and the research that goes into making a video like this, it does help out tremendously if you hit the like button or hit subscribe. Thank you, and let's begin. The first recipe is baked salmon with roasted vegetables. Salmon is a great source of protein and healthy fats, and it's also rich in vitamins D and B12. To prepare this dish, preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place a salmon fillet on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Toss your favorite vegetables like broccoli, carrots, and potatoes with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Spread the vegetables around the salmon and bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the salmon is cooked through. This meal is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients and antioxidants. Next up is chicken stir-fry. This is a quick and easy meal that's perfect for a busy weeknight. Stir-fries are a great way to get your veggies and protein all in one dish. Start by cutting up chicken breast into bite-sized pieces. Then stir-fry your favorite vegetables like broccoli, snap peas, and bell peppers. Season with low-sodium soy sauce, toasted sesame oil, and rice vinegar. For a thicker sauce, mix cornstarch with water and add it to the pan. Continue cooking until the chicken is cooked through and the sauce is thickening. Serve over brown rice or quinoa for a complete meal. This dish is not only tasty, but also high in protein and fiber. Our third recipe is lentil soup. Lentils are a fantastic plant-based protein source, and they're also rich in fiber and complex carbohydrates. Add lentils, vegetable broth, diced tomatoes, and your favorite spices like cumin and turmeric. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer until the lentils are tender. For a creamy texture, blend a portion of the soup and then add it back to the pot. You can also top your soup with a dollop of Greek yogurt or a drizzle of olive oil. This recipe is not only filling and satisfying, but also full of flavor and nutrients. Next, we have shrimp scampi with zucchini noodles. This is a low-carb, high-protein meal that's perfect for a date night. Start by cooking your zucchini noodles, then shrimp with garlic and butter. Add white wine and lemon juice and bring to a boil. Once the shrimp are cooked through, toss in the zucchini noodles and cook until tender. You can also add cherry tomatoes and spinach to this dish for extra flavor and nutrients. This recipe is not only delicious, but also packed with protein and healthy fats. Our fifth recipe is turkey meatballs with marinara sauce. Ground turkey is a lean protein source, and it's also lower in calories than ground beef. To make turkey meatballs, mix ground turkey with breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, and eggs. Form the mixture into meatballs and bake or pan-fry them until cooked through. Serve the meatballs over your favorite marinara sauce and pair it with whole wheat pasta or zucchini noodles. This dish is not only tasty, but also high in protein and fiber. Last but not least is black bean burgers. These are a great alternative to traditional burgers, and they're packed with protein and fiber. To make black bean burgers, mash black beans with chopped onion and garlic. Add spices like chili powder and cumin for flavor. Form the mixture into patties and bake or grill them until firm. You can serve these burgers on whole wheat buns with lettuce, tomato, and avocado. This recipe is not only delicious, but also full of flavor and nutrients. And there you have it, 6 best healthy dinner recipes for weight loss in 2025. We hope you enjoyed these recipes, and we encourage you to try them out. Remember that portion control and regular exercise are also important factors when it comes to weight loss. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.